Imagine waking up every morning feeling light, energized, and free from that heavy, sluggish feeling that sometimes drags you down. It's the kind of feeling you get when your body is functioning at its absolute best. And the key to unlocking that feeling? Cleansing your colon naturally. I'm going to share with you a powerful, all-natural drink that I use to cleanse my colon. And the best part, it's simple to make at home with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. By the end of this video, not only will you know exactly how to make this powerful cleansing drink, but you'll also understand why it works and how it can benefit your overall health. Stick with me through this because what I'm about to share could seriously transform the way you feel every single day. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Natural Healing Guide's YouTube channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our health tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions along the way. Let me start by telling you why I even needed a colon cleanse in the first place. Like many people, I was dealing with low energy, bloating, and irregular digestion. It wasn't anything extreme, but I could tell my body wasn't functioning at its best. I tried making small changes to my diet, drinking more water, exercising regularly, but something still felt off. After doing some research, I realized that my colon, the last part of the digestive system, wasn't working as efficiently as it could be. And here's the thing. Over time, toxins and waste can build up in the colon, slowing down digestion and leading to that heavy, bloated feeling. That's when I started looking for natural ways to cleanse my colon, and that's how I found this drink. Now, before I reveal the recipe, let's talk a bit about why cleansing your colon is so important. Your colon plays a huge role in your body's overall detoxification process. It's responsible for absorbing water and nutrients from the food you eat, and for eliminating waste. But when your colon isn't working properly, waste can build up, and toxins that should be flushed out of your body can start to accumulate. This can lead to a variety of issues, everything from fatigue and brain fog to digestive problems like constipation or even skin issues. By cleansing your colon naturally, you're giving your digestive system a much-needed reset, helping to flush out toxins and improve your overall health. Trust me, once you try this drink and experience the benefits for yourself, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. So, what's in this powerful drink? The beauty of it lies in its simplicity. The main ingredients are things you probably already have in your kitchen: lemon, ginger, and apple cider vinegar. Let me break down why each of these ingredients is so effective. First, let's talk about lemon. Lemons are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which help detoxify your body. But more than that, lemon juice is known to stimulate the production of bile, which is important for digestion. It also helps soften stool and promotes bowel movements, making it easier to flush out waste. The acidity of the lemon juice helps break down undigested material in the digestive tract, ensuring that nothing is left sitting around for too long. Next, we have ginger, which has been used for centuries to aid digestion and reduce bloating. Ginger stimulates the digestive system, increases bile production, and helps food move more smoothly through your intestines. It's also anti-inflammatory, which means it helps reduce any irritation in the colon and soothes the digestive tract. Adding ginger to this drink not only gives it a nice kick of flavor, but also provides real, tangible benefits for your gut health. Finally, there's apple cider vinegar. This one's a powerhouse when it comes to cleansing. Apple cider vinegar helps balance your body's pH levels, making your digestive system more alkaline. This helps create an environment in which good bacteria can thrive, supporting your overall gut health. Apple cider vinegar also helps soften stool and promote bowel movements, making it a great addition to this drink. I recommend using raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother for the best results. Now, the key to this drink is consistency. You can't just drink it once and expect miracles. I made it a part of my daily routine, drinking it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and I started to see results within a week. I felt lighter, my bloating was reduced, and I had more energy. Plus, my digestion became much more regular, no more feeling backed up or sluggish. Here's how you can make this drink at home. You'll need juice of 1 lemon, 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, a small piece of fresh ginger, about 1 inch, grated or finely chopped, 1 cup of warm water. Simply mix all the ingredients together and sip it slowly. The warm water helps to soothe your digestive tract, and the combination of lemon, ginger, and apple cider vinegar works together to cleanse your colon and support your digestion. But I didn't stop there. To enhance the effects of the cleanse, I also made a few simple lifestyle changes. I increased my fiber intake by adding more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to my diet. Fiber helps to keep things moving in the digestive system and prevents waste from building up in the colon. Foods like leafy greens, berries and oats became a regular part of my meals. I also made sure to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Hydration is key when it comes to digestion, as it helps soften stool and keeps everything flowing smoothly. It's also important to stay active. Physical activity stimulates the muscles in the digestive system, which helps promote regular bowel movements. I started going for a walk after meals, and I noticed that it really helped improve my digestion. Even just 15 to 20 minutes of walking can make a big difference. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does this really work? The short answer is yes. I personally experienced the benefits of this drink, and the science backs it up. Studies have shown that apple cider vinegar, ginger, and lemon all have digestive benefits. And when combined, they create a powerful remedy for cleansing the colon. But don't just take my word for it. Try it for yourself and see how it makes you feel. Remember, the key is consistency. So make it a part of your daily routine for at least a week, and I guarantee you'll notice a difference. As you start this journey, remember that cleansing your colon isn't just about getting rid of waste. It's about giving your entire digestive system a reset. You'll feel lighter, more energetic, and more in tune with your body. And that's something everyone deserves to experience. As I wrap up, I want to encourage you to subscribe to Natural Healing Guides. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've tried this drink before. I'd love to hear how it's working for you.